Hello everyone, we are here in Rim Mall. Closing time na, nakikita niya. Sarado na. Pero titingnan pa rin namin kung may mabibilhan pa rin kami. Ano bang bibilin mo?
Lotion. And primer, makeups.
Sarado na pa na yan. What time the mall will close? Already closed? Because I saw on the website it's until 12.
Yeah, it's until 12, but because it is finished now.
How about the Carrefour? Alam niyo ba kung ano oras kaming gumising? Ano oras ka gumising?
Baga ka gumising.
Uy,
Alas 4.
ikaw 4?
Ikaw?
Hindi ako 4 gumising ah. I mean, 4:30 plus ako gumising. Tapos after nun, nawalan ako ng malay, nakatulog na ako agad.
Sabi na pati mga stone coffee.
Sarado na ata sabi ng guard.
Tapos baba.
Ang gagawin namin ngayon, literally a window shop.